Muraiwensi ya Kenya Moske William Ruto niko bono ainekire unanige kiama kia UDA kerengete obobui obonene asobochore bonne BW'OBOCHORI umwaka bw'echirubere 2052 asatebire nigarigetie kubwa abameri baye wetania ni chikura $1 3 kubwatekana no kubwaterana we kiama kia UDA na keri ya ODM igatia barabekira nase umuigoyo oeneki wase nyombene ni oborai haiga asumucho Nairobi ngamo no mokonyi bo Muraiwensi Kithure Kindiki muwaziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi negatia barai kurwase ensemeria ye bunge enene na bwegeri ye Senate na barai banda banene ase kiamekyo kia UDA muri kitoli net nyambane agotumanyia senchere wikirana Muraiwensi William Ruto oenekire buna NIGO ekiama kia UDA kerengete obobui obonene asobochori obonene BW'OBOCHORI umwaka bw'echirubere 2052 asatebire buna nigarigete kubwa abamereri baye nechikura gwetani $1 kubwatekana no kubwaterana ne kiama gia ODM.
This election inakuja, we want to win by a margin of between 2 and 3 million. Mnanisikia? Wacha nirudie. This election, the last election, we won by a margin of 200,000. 200,000. This election, we must win by a margin of 2 to 3 million.
Ukwana ritko ria rero kurwa ase nyombene ne yoborai imeumucho Nairobi chinga Koumerana ne komiti ya National Executive Council ye kiama kia UDA. Ruto nigatebire buna ekiamekyo nigo kirigeti gotinya chinguru chiae ase chinsemo cha mashinani inse ye serikali yobomo.
We have a broad-based government arrangement. Sini kweli? Tulikuwa na matatizo, makelele, fujo, maandamano. Tukasema in every challenge there is a silver lining and there is an opportunity if you look carefully. So in that challenge that we were undergoing, instead of focusing on the challenge, we decided to create an opportunity out of it. Today we have a broad-based government with our friends, the ODM party, and we have agreed that this broad-based has worked.
Ase ensemo ya uchumi Ruto nigatebire buna serikali yaye nigo erigeti gukinia ebirengo biense ya Kenya guchia ase ebigoro mono bimanyekanite buna first world.
Why is it necessary for us to have a strong political party? It is necessary for us to have a strong political party because the transformation of our country goes beyond one leader.
Ligatia bari baikirana ase gikarekyo ngamona no mokonye bo Muraiwensi Professor Kithure Kindiki umurai bwabange ase ebunge enene amoneri ya Senate umuwaziri omonene negati yabarai bande be kiama kia UDA.
Through innovative funding models to modernize the port of Mombasa. So seaports, airports, railway, roads, and energy and agriculture. If we do that, Kenya will move from the third world to the first world in a generation.
I know that we have been part and parcel of this team, and we have done things that have helped the Kenya Kwanza administration attain the record of the score that you're hearing this morning.
And that transformation, Your Excellency, as my brother Aaron has said, did not just begin with what we committed to Kenyans as we campaigned together on the question of universal health coverage, on the transformation of agriculture, but moving on now to even what you have called or christened the Singapore dream or the journey to Singapore.
Kwa mambo ya kimataifa, African Union, yeye ndio champion wa African Union kwa mambo ya reform. Ana reform taifa la Kenya, lakini pia ana jukumu la kureform African Union.
Goripoteri ya Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.